are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, convertible, security system, compass, trip computer, heated steering wheel, power windows, panic alarm, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.